Back. I-League champions Bengaluru Football Club beat Mohamedan Sporting by 2-1 in their opening match of Durand Cup on Thursday morning. Bengaluru led the Durand Cup holders by 2 goals at the half-time interval. In another match, Salgaonkar Football Club trounced Indian Navy by 4-1.
127वें डूरंड कप के आज क्वार्टर फाइनल का दूसरा मैच के शुभ अवसर पर
In the early morning fixture, I-League champions Bengaluru FC squared up against defending champions Mohamedan Sporting, who were a doubtful starter for the tournament itself due to the reported financial problems afflicting the Bengali club. With big names from Indian football in their lineup, Bengaluru were the favourites and they did what was expected of them, scoring 2 goals in the first half through captain Sunil Chetri and Meghalayan midfielder Afghanistan Lingdo at the picturesque Raya ground. Mohamedan fought back in the second half as Alfred Jeren found the target. Bengaluru were, however, good enough to come off with full points from their campaign opener. In the second match, Salgaonkar FC thrashed Indian Navy by 4-1. Salgaonkar led 2-0 at half-time. Ivorian attacker Duhu Pierre scored twice for the Green Brigade. Homegrown Elson Oliveira and Gilbert Oliveira were also on target for the Greens. Raman Rai was the lone goal scorer for Indian Navy. Savio Dias for Prudent.
Around 30 sailors from 6 states are taking part in the National Boat Sailing Championship at Donapaula. The competition began on Thursday afternoon off the Hawaii beach. According to the General Secretary of Boat Sailing Association of India, Goa has good number of upcoming sailors. They, however, need support from the government, says former national champion Donald Coelho.
So this time we have got almost about 6 states and almost about 30 participation. And no doubt the winds are a little bit low, but still we have managed to finish 1 race. We have got another 3 races. We are working towards a medal maybe in 2020.
How many youths are there involved in the boat youths are involved in this?
We managed to develop almost about 20 youths from Goa, which is the top 4 you can say. There is one Ronak Pai, Dane Coelho is my son, and then we have got Russell Lobo, who is another young boy who's come up, and now we have got Myron Gomes also, who is doing very good. So we have got good set. All we need some good support from the government to bring achievement through.
Okay.
Yeah.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.